Hi everyone, it's Si. I'm going to show you how to use the Nita Eater. First off, we have this hole here, and in that we're going to put our Nita Eater plate that can be found in the cafeteria. And then on this bit, we have a special spoon with this attachment that will fit on like so. Once we've done that, we're going to turn it on and then wait for a minute or so while it just loads up.
Hello. Welcome to your Nita Eater.
Once it's loaded up, it's going to go to its previously saved mouth position.
At your mouth. Continue.
If this is okay, you can then approach it with your student, make sure it's in the right place. If it's not, you simply press the adjust button.
Learn new mouth position.
And adjust by hand, and then we can just move this up and down, left and right as you want, and then press save and continue.
Mouth position saved.
And now when we take a scoop, that is where it will move to. Next up, you can either tell it what plate you've put on or get it to check. We're going to ask it to check itself for us.
Checking the plate. Small plate. Continue.
And then ask it to continue.
Moving to rest.
Now we're ready to go. There are 3 buttons available to you. The one on the left will ask it to scoop some food.
Scooping.
And then it will bring it up to your mouth position that you saved a moment ago.
At your mouth.
The middle button is used to rotate the plate slightly. It's hard to see on the video, but that is turning the plate about an inch or so every time you press it. That's so your student can get to the bits of food that they want. That's everything for basic use. If there's anything else, just come and find me.